So, best way of getting rid of asparagus beetle is being prepared, because they will fall at the slightest touch. There's one right on the top of here, so there you go. It's fallen straight into my hand. There it is. And you just squish it. There we go. Best way of dealing with them. I think this is the equivalent of a asparagus beetle dogging. Threesome going on while I'm watching. Right, not done before, but let's see if I can do 4. It's quite difficult with one hand. No, I've got 3. One's disappeared somewhere. Come here. No, I lost that one. Little bugger.